how to make money on Etsy in 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Etsy as a complete beginner without any previous experience whatsoever. So firstly, I want you to come on to etsy.com. Over here you can basically see that there are a lot of different categories that you can work in, and from over here you can actually get a pretty good idea as to how much money you can charge for specific items. So now from over here, click on the top right where it says sign in, and after that sign in with Google, Facebook or with Apple, and then I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second now. And after that I'll catch you guys in just a second. But if for any reason your sign in option doesn't work, click on sell on Etsy from the bottom, and then that is gonna basically take you over to their main selling section. So now from over here you can basically see all the different features of their selling option. So firstly, you will get great value. You can list your first item for just $0.20. You only pay transaction, payment processing, and off-site advertising fees when you make a sale. They also give you powerful tools and services that make it really easy to manage, promote, and grow your business. Then you also have the support and education. So like basically you can reach out to Etsy support specialists anytime you need a hand and get tips on running a successful shop in their seller handbook. Now up top you can even check the fees as well, and then they basically have some fees listed over here too. So they are basically going to charge you 0.20 cents for every single listing that you do, and they will also charge you 5% transaction fee of whatever the total amount is. So like for example, if the total amount is basically $10,000, well then they will charge you $500 as the transaction fee for PayPal, and also a 15% offsite ads fee as well. So like those are some things that you must consider before you start working on Etsy. And then also, what are the tools they're going to be offering you? Like basically a management tool, promotional tools that you can use to drive traffic to your store, analytics to basically check how many people are coming on your store and how many people are actually buying from your store, and not just like coming, checking stuff out and then leaving because they don't like anything. And then also you can accept payments seamlessly because they have the best payment integrations available, and honestly you can just get started with them easily. Then you can also choose your own path on a way that basically you can choose either their standard option or their plus option. In their plus option you will obviously get more tools and more things that you can use to basically set up your shop on Etsy. Now over here they have some points through which you can basically stand out on Etsy. You can stand out with new ways to customize your shop. You can tell shoppers your items are back in stock. So like what happens is that whenever a customer comes onto Etsy, well then they will basically type in their email address, and once they type in their email address, well after that you basically have their email address and you can simply send them emails. Not spam them, but send them update emails, send them coupon codes, send them basically whatever you can to get them back to the store, and that way you can get eventually more sales as well. So honestly, this is not rocket science, this is basic marketing, and anybody with some marketing experience will definitely know about this stuff. Then over here you basically have all the people that have been using Etsy to make money, and guys honestly these are inspirational stories which you guys should definitely read about, so you guys can also get the motivation. So now from the top right, click on open your Etsy shop. After that, sign in with Google, Facebook or with Apple or with a brand new account, and I'm going to catch you guys in just a second. So once you have signed up successfully, and now from over here you can simply click on your profile and click on sell on Etsy. Now once you do that, that is basically going to take you over to this page. Click on open your Etsy shop, and then you basically have to choose your shop language, shop country, the shop currency, and also what describes you doing this the most accurately. So I'm gonna choose English, I'm gonna choose Australia, I'm gonna choose the Australian dollar, and then I'm gonna basically choose selling is my full-time job. Click on save and continue, then basically put in your shop name. Now you basically have to make sure that your shop name is really attractive, because if that's not the case, then obviously you are not going to be getting a lot of sales. So I'm going to type in over here shop 69, and once I type in that, I'm going to basically click on check availability, and as I thought, this is taken. So I'm going to basically choose shop 69 store, and then I'm going to basically click on save and continue. So there I go. My shop name and basically my store preferences have all been set up. I'm going to click on add listing now, and once I click on add listing, now I'm going to basically add a particular product. So now you basically have to ask yourself, what are you going to be selling? So a good idea as to like, if you don't know anything about Etsy, and if you just clicked on this video to like, see everything, like basically see like what products to sell and everything. Well, for that, I would highly suggest you go on to Etsy itself and then basically see what is being trending right now. So a good way to find that is basically by hovering your mouse over the categories and then simply like, choosing any one of these genres that you might be interested in. So like, for example, I'm gonna choose men and then I'm gonna choose shirts. So once I choose men's shirts, I can basically see like all these shirts that are being sold, and then next to the rating, I can see how many reviews they have. So like if your particular shirt has like 200 300 reviews, well guys, honestly that shirt must be good. That is the reason why it's like getting so much traffic. Like for example, this particular shirt, this shirt has 1200 reviews, guys. Isn't that insane? I mean, like, let's do the math here for a second. So like, let me just open up the calculator. This shirt has 1239 reviews, and this is being sold for like almost $10. So like guys, this person has made $12,390 from just selling a black t-shirt with some graphics. Guys, if that doesn't sound crazy, then I don't know what it does. But guys, again, it's art. Art sells, and honestly, if you know how to market it properly, if you know how to give names, if you know how to basically sell your stuff, guys, you are going to be millionaires soon. So again, just basically like do your research, find things that are selling rapidly, and then simply copy them. Like literally, if this shirt is selling nicely, simply copy it. Don't copy it like with like the exact colors. Like just basically change the shirt color to white, change these logos to basically your own custom designs, but follow the general theme, because that way you will not be like diverting from the topic, but you will also be getting sales. So now from over here, I want you to like do the same thing for like arts and collectibles as well. So like if you're an artist, you can simply like click on painting, oil, watercolor, or like whatever you want. Or if you want to sculpt stuff, click on sculpture. Now once you choose that, you can basically see like all the different products that are being sold in the sculptures section. So like over here we have this really cute figurine being sold for $36. Guys, that is insane for just a figurine, and this person has 1600 reviews. So honestly guys, this person just made a lot of money, and you all were sitting over here. So I would suggest start copying. Don't just rip other people off. Try to like actually come up with your own designs. Take your inspiration with these things. Like basically this is gonna be like your research book. Do your research and then simply invent your own genuine idea, and then after that create your listing over here. Add all the details like basically your name, your category and everything, and then basically put a reasonable price. Don't overprice anything, because that is gonna end up cannibalizing all of your sales. Don't overprice anything. Again, don't overprice, but just be authentic. Take your profit and you will be good to go on this website. And honestly, the most professional advice that I can give you guys is to just basically copy other people, take your inspiration from them, and you will be good to go. So guys, this was basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.